Today I'm going to be working with tracing paper, and I'm going to take a sheet and fold it in half. Once in half, I'm going to create a face. I'm going to make the eyes, an eyebrow, a nose, and a crooked smile. I'm going to flip my paper over, and I'm going to trace what I just did. And this is a good way of creating a face and getting it the same on both sides. I found this plate, or it's the charger, at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint the inside in gray primer. I'm going to put my tracing paper in the center, and I'm going to add carbon paper underneath and trace out my face with a pencil. Start with our black, and I'm going to do the eyebrows and then do the first circle in my eyes. And I'm going to fill them all in with black. We are going to have a PDF available if you're interested in this tracing at chocolatefancy.com. We will put a link in the comments. And then I'm going to fill in my smile with the black, and then I'm going to use Republic Red for the nose, and then outline the nose with some black. Then I'm going to take some salve and give my face a top coat. You could use an acrylic spray, as when I did this, it did smear the rest of the carbon paper lines. And then once that was on, I took our General Finishes gel stain and covered the entire plate in the stain, and it's basically a rub-on, a rub-off. I could faintly see my lines, so I filled in my next circle under my eyes. It's like a little half moon. I put the stitching through my smile. I did the third half moon under my eyes, just outlining it, and finish the stitching in the nose. I took some snow owl and just filled in the third half moon under my eyes. Then I'm going to take some more snow owl and create a pupil. And then I do these two small ones down in the corner of the left and the right of each eye, and then added some lashes. Once all this dried, I did use acrylic spray to seal everything. I found this burlap at the Dollar Tree, unraveled it, and put it in a triangle. And I'm going to glue it to the top of my plate, kind of on an angle. I'm going to glue it in the back and use a craft stick just as extra hold. Then I'm going to kind of fold it down. I do want some natural wrinkles in my hat. I'm going to fold it and glue it towards the back. And then I took some sunflowers from the Dollar Tree, just took a couple flowers and glued them inside the hat. And in between the second one, I took some floral wire and stitched it through my hat to give a natural lift so you could still see the eyes, and put my second sunflower to hide that floral wire. And then I glued a branch of leaves, also from the Dollar Tree, in the hat. Then I took a grass skirt from the Dollar Tree, and I went right up to the top portion, layered it in two, cut it, and then cut about 4 inches from the top, and then glued this section underneath my hat. And I think this came out really cute, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chocolatefancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chocolatefancy.com. Thank you so much.